Hey, we are excited to introduce project presets in VizMaker, and honestly, this is one of those features that can completely change how you work with AI. Instead of starting from a blank page every time, you now get access to a curated collection of ready-to-use workflows, prompts, and AI comparisons, all in one place. So whether you're experimenting, learning, or building real projects, you already have a strong starting point. Each preset guides you step by step through a specific task, so you are not guessing what to do next or how to write a perfect prompt. You are following a proven process that already works. You will find things like viewport to render workflows, moodboard to render pipelines, AI engine comparisons, and much more. Every presets include ready-to-use prompts broken down into clear steps so you understand not only what to write but also why it works. And on top of that, you can see real outputs generated with those prompts, so you know exactly what results to expect. And the best part, everything is fully interactive. So you can duplicate any preset, tweak the prompts, and adjust the workflow, and instantly see how your changes affect the final result. You are not just watching, you are learning by doing and improving your workflow in real time. We are also excited to announce that VizMaker is expanding its ecosystem with brand new plugins. Until now, you have been able to seamlessly connect through 3ds Max, SketchUp, and Revit, and now we are taking it even further. Starting now, VizMaker supports ArchiCAD, Rhino, and Unreal Engine, giving you even more flexibility right away. No matter what software you design in, VizMaker is becoming more connected, more flexible, and even more powerful than ever. Try VizMaker and experience the new possibilities for yourself.